As an audio guy, you spend time finding the perfect balance of gear. Once you have the speakers and electronics that reach the soul of the music, it's time to focus on getting the most out of that gear. There are many ways to do this, but one of the most simple is often overlooked. After listening to dozens of power chords from over 3,000 to down under $100, I found one power chord that always improves the sonic performance of anything I plugged it into. Luminous Audio's Mega Lynx AC chord. Surprisingly, this power chord comes in at $650. The audiophile grade materials used for the endpoints will last a lifetime. With its 9-gauge conductors, this power cord is large, but remarkably flexible thanks to its natural rubber core. There are no filters or passive parts in this cable to restrict current. Just powerful neodymium magnets at each end to reduce noise and correct phase for the incoming power. So the best advice I can give is to get a hold of the new Luminous Audio power cord. Plug it into your favorite component and let the fun begin.